Nice view, eh?
Nice sea breeze, the
Oh.
smell. 5 years ago, we met at the gym. We're quite adventurous people. We've traveled a lot, and then we moved over to China for a year there, and then we had moved back to Cape Town. Then we got engaged. I believe there's some good restaurants out there.
Moving to New Zealand, my biggest reason is my mom, stepdad, stepbrother, and half-sister moved to New Plymouth about 5 years ago. And also New Zealand is an awesome country.
The water's quite cold though.
Yeah.
I've left my whole family back in South Africa. We are such a close-knit family, so it has been quite a big challenge for me, especially because we are here to stay.
Yes.
New Plymouth is located in the middle of the North Island on the west coast. We're known for our windwand, which is on the foreshore, and also having a mountain. You can go surfing and skiing in the same day. The housing market is pretty crazy. There's not enough properties here for everybody. So it's going to be tough trying to find them what they want and what they need.
I would prefer to be in town just because working from home can get a bit lonely at times. So having access to a coffee shop would be convenient for me.
We probably run most mornings. So for me, I'd like to live a bit out, closer to the trail running stuff, the mountain, where I think Kayleigh enjoys her road running a little bit more.
Absolutely.
Ideally, I don't want to be spending all our money on rent, clearly for the reason of putting some money away for maybe a wedding.
Yeah. Most importantly for us is 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
Okay.
A good kitchen, modern, a nice open plan living space.
Definitely outside area for barbecue and just spend some time outdoors.
Okay, what about garaging? Is that important?
Yes, that is definitely
To have some extra space.
yeah, some storage space.
Okay.
Closer to the forests and the mountain side.
Okay.
Outside of the hustle and bustle, I think would be preferable for me.
Close to town.
Town. What's that for, shopping?
Definitely.
And did you have a price in mind?
$1,200 a month.
Okay. Kayleigh wanting something close to town, but Bryan a little bit out of town and an outdoor space for a bride. It's going to be a little tough because we don't have apartments with a backyard within their price range.
The scenery is just beautiful. It's so clean.
It's great that they've got Bryan's family here. It's going to be tough for Kayleigh without her family, so I really want to try find something that's going to suit her.
So many shops and cafes and things around here.
Exactly what
Yeah, perfect for you, Kayleigh. I'm going to take them to an inner city apartment. It's really modern. The area is great. Kayleigh can walk straight to town, but I don't think Bryan will be too keen on it because it's a little bit pricey. Hopefully she can get Bryan on board. Just around this corner on the left is where we're going to get out and have a look at this house.
Oh,
looks like a nice area.
yes.
Yeah, no, it's a great area. Central to town, so perfect.
Thank you.
Let's have a look. So here we are, guys, right next to the beach.
Awesome.
We can hear it from here.
Yeah.
Perfect for me.
That's where Kayleigh wants to be.
Yes, exactly. The house here, we've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom.
Okay.
Very cool.
So what's the price of this place?
$1,600 per
Oof.
month.
Okay, well, yeah, I mean, it is very, very way above budget, but I love the deck.
Something that you could bri on?
Oh, 100%.
Oh, wow.
Very nice.
Now this is my kind of kitchen.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Absolutely. Granite tops.
Yes.
Nice workspace. So how does this work? The layout seems a bit different.
So up the stairs here, it's actually the main bedroom up there.
Oh, wow.
awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So kind of like a loft feel.
Yes. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And does this place also come furnished?
So the furniture that's here is what will remain here.
Okay.
So partly furnished.
I like
Okay.
that it's spacious. Maybe it could have been a bit more private.
Okay.
Having this all open.
There is another bedroom downstairs if you want to check that one out.
Oh, cool.
So it's just in around the corner here.
What's that?
Oh, we can check that out first. In here is actually a lift.
You are kidding.
A lift.
A lift. So this is your personal lift. Takes you down to the basement.
Oh, wow.
My favourite part of the whole house.
Like a kid in a candy store.
Yes.
Okay, we'll check out that second bedroom now.
That lift was awesome, thank you.
No,
Fun
that's
feature.
all right.
Feels a bit dark, maybe a bit cold in here.
I must agree, it is a bit dark.
Through here and on the left, we've just got the bathroom.
Oh, cool. It's
Okay.
good size.
Yeah.
I do like that it is also a bit more modern.
Obviously, Kayleigh really likes this place. It's just a little bit too much for our price range.
And then it's just straight back into the living room.
I say it is quite nice and sunny out here.
Look at that spot.
Exactly.
Cozy. It's a big yes from me.
Yes, modern, great.
Absolutely. I love the kitchen.
Yeah. Perfect, Bryan.
I must say, I do like it.
Yeah.
But the price is just a bit too much.
There's a lift. I quite like that everything is in close proximity, easy to get around.
That mountain is just spectacular.
Courtney finds Kayleigh and Bryan a house in the suburbs.
It's a little bit out of town, but for Bryan, it'll be close to some trails for running and getting outdoors. And I think it would be great for Kayleigh working from home. But if Kayleigh needs to get somewhere, they may need to get a second car, and this doesn't have anything outdoors.
Nice suburbs, driving
Yeah.
through the burbs now. I quite
Nice.
like it.
That mountain view is stunning, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh,
guys,
wow.
so this is Wellborn.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Quite a nice neighbourhood. I love all the greenery.
A little bit further from town than I'd like, but seems like quiet, peaceful neighbourhood.
Definitely.
So here we've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage.
Okay.
It doesn't quite have the outdoor space, but it's about $1,300 per month, so
Okay.
it's a little bit over.
Yeah.
But might make it work for the right place.
Definitely.
Yes.
The nature here is just absolutely stunning, but location-wise, it's a bit far from town. We would have to get another car, which is another stress. I love the colour of the door.
Yeah, that is so nice, eh?
Very cool.
Yeah, and just tucked in behind the doors, the laundry.
Okay. Oh, nice and sunny.
Oh, absolutely.
That's the first thing that caught my eye.
Definitely.
The sunroom just off the lounge.
Yes.
Yeah, yep.
Quite a nice view, actually.
Yes, very nice.
But unfortunately, the yard down here isn't included. It is for the downstairs tenant. Yeah.
Have to make friends with them.
Yeah.
So close, but yet so far away. Definitely a letdown for me. So it comes fully furnished, I gather.
The furniture that's here
Okay.
is what will stay here for
Okay,
you.
okay.
I like the style of the furniture. Something
very
that-
nice.
Great.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, dishwasher.
It's a good-sized kitchen.
Yes.
Nice appliances. I like it.
Okay, so down the hallway, first we've got your bathroom, if you want to check that one out.
Oh,
Cool.
sure.
Oh,
Okay.
bath as well.
Yeah, bath and separate shower. Let's check out the first bedroom over here.
Okay.
Oh,
So Kayleigh, this is your little work home space.
smallest desk in the world.
Working from home means that that's my office. That's where I'll be for majority of the day. So it would be important to me to feel that office type environment as well.
Very
Let's
nice.
take a look at the second bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
I like the built-in feature.
Adding a personal touch
Ladies
to it.
comfy. I think I spotted the mountain.
And you can see the little dusting of snow at the moment.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's a nice
That's a view.
And there is a garage here.
Oh,
Should we head out and check that out?
Okay, cool.
Great to see Kayleigh and Bryan's reaction to this property. Even though Kayleigh might think it's a bit too far out of town. Okay, so here's your garage space just over here.
Okay, nice.
So if you did want to store all your sports equipment in here, we do have like the off-street parking down here still.
Okay.
And at the top of the driveway, there is on-street parking.
Oh, well, walking out of here in the morning and seeing that mountain.
Oh, wow.
It is amazing,
That-
isn't it?
That is stunning.
It is.
I must say, I really like this location.
Yeah.
But not having the garden space is going to be tough.
Although it had really good features, I really would prefer something closer to town.
Less than 10 minutes drive, so that was all good.
10 minutes too far.
Courtney takes Kayleigh and Bryan back to the city.
I love that park. It's beautiful in there.
The next house, the location is perfect. We're right in town. Kayleigh's got the shops at one end, Bryan's got a river and trails at the other end. So really, bit of both worlds for them.
Glad we're heading more towards the city.
Okay,
This
you'll be
looks
glad to
promising.
see this again.
It is only a 1-bedroom, but it does have the outdoor space Bryan is desperate for, and the price is under budget. So hopefully we can get them on board. Yeah,
Yes.
so just down here, Bryan, is the river, and there's trails down there you
I
can
can
run
see
along.
that actually.
Perfect.
Location seems good.
Yeah, it's quite an interesting street.
This is a unique property. It's a 2-storey, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but there's a backyard.
Okay,
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
The price for this place,
Yes.
$1,100 per month.
Sold. Where do we sign?
Exactly.
Working from home means that it would be important to me to have that workspace, so I don't know what to expect.
Here we go, after you guys.
Thank you.
Definitely unique.
Yes, unique is a great word for that.
Is this the entire kitchen space?
It is the entire kitchen space, yeah.
Quite small, hey?
Definitely a bit smaller than I would have liked.
In here is, if you want to take a look, laundry and bathroom.
Oh, I like that there is still a
it's
separate...
hidden away. Is this the only bathroom in the apartment?
Yes, just the one bathroom.
Okay.
Okay.
Just not fond of having the bathroom right next to the kitchen.
Yeah.
It is definitely a different layout.
Yes.
What I do like is it's still that easy flowing, open plan.
High ceilings.
High ceilings,
Yeah,
I like
that's-
that. Just that everything's a bit cramped for me. I don't know, I like something a bit
Space-wise.
more spacious.
Definitely.
Um,
Oh wow.
oh,
That is really interesting.
in this little
quite
place, a spiral staircase,
Yeah.
can you imagine?
Quite
Yeah.
a fun touch.
And at the top is your bedroom.
Scary little noise going up here. Okay. It's quite private, I guess.
Still has that loft feel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely not sure if this would be
Enough.
packing space for me.
And I'm not sure that will be enough packing space for me. You said there was a garden here.
Yes.
Oh,
Can we have a look at that?
Oh, definitely. Let's
Thank
check it
you.
out.
be a deciding factor.
Okay. I mean, now we're talking. That is really nice to see.
And it even comes with a lawnmower.
Oh, there we go. I really think the size of the garden is perfect.
Yeah.
I like that it is quite private as well.
Yes.
It's
yes.
a really great price. But although I see great potential,
Yes.
I think the size just isn't going to work for us.
I must say the price is spot on. Can put away a bit of the money for a nice Fiji trip.
For 2 weddings.
I mean, obviously she's going to say the weddings.
You can see Kayleigh wears the pants, so I think it's going to be quite interesting to see what they decide and who makes the final decision.
I think Bryan worries about my happiness, whereas I worry about his too. But at the same time, we don't want to show it too much just because we want to both be supportive. So at the end of the day, we need to factor in our own happiness, and that will result in us making good choices.
Kayleigh understands the amount that we had to give up to be here right now, leaving family behind. And I do worry about her heart being sore. Obviously, you want her to be happy. The beach apartment, the price was pretty steep.
Now this is my kind of kitchen.
Yeah, good.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Beaches were just exactly what I hoped for.
And it had a lift.
Oh, cool. So kind of like a loft feel.
Yes. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I really like this one.
Yes.
What about Blue Door?
Oh, so Blue Door, I really enjoyed the views. That mountain is just spectacular.
Location for me really not great. It's a good sized kitchen,
Yes.
nice appliances.
Awesome.
I like it.
Walking out of the door and straight onto the running trails, that was also really one of the things I liked.
The big thing,
Yeah, no garden.
exactly.
And then we had the small townhouse. Obviously, we had the garden.
Definitely unique.
Yes, unique is a great word for that.
Location wise also.
Yes, location-wise, very good.
Yeah. What I do like is it's still that easy flowing, open plan. The price is great.
I was very happy with the price. I just wasn't happy with how small it was inside. Even though the price was great and the location was good for you, a small townhouse, we got to get that one to go. We really need a 2-bedroom, bigger space for when family comes to visit.
Definitely. I think size was definitely a downfall for me. So we have the Blue Door house and the beach apartment.
So, beach house,
Yes, I love it. It was exactly what we were looking for. It has the nice open plan, living space. For me, the best part of that is the location.
but I think the price at 1,600 is just too much for us right now. The Blue Door, we also had 2 bedrooms, magnificent views of the mountain,
Yep.
and you were just a little bit out of town.
Where are you going to braai?
This is a problem, but I can always braai in the driveway.
Okay. But that would definitely mean we would have to get a second car.
Yes, I
But
agree
that
with
also
you.
costs money.
Yes, but it's not such a big cost. I think we just have to think where we're going, and we just got here.
I do agree that it was bright and sunny, a good amount of natural light coming in
Good
there.
views. You know, you're going to get a car
And a trip to Fiji.
and a trip to Fiji.
So I think we can agree.
Yes.
It's Blue Door.
Blue Door it is.
Yeah?
I need to start looking at a wedding dress.
So exciting. I cannot wait for this.
I'm very happy. I've got a mountain view. I've got trails on our doorstep.
I feel right at home. It's cozy, it's welcoming, exactly the feeling I wanted to get moving into a house here.
We obviously turned that second bedroom into an exercise room. We don't have the outside area, but the good definitely outweighs the bad.